Everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Safari cannot open the page because it could not connect to the server. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. When you are going to open any of the page, first of all make sure that you are entering correct URL here, and after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to close this page and you have to make sure that you are properly connected with internet. So first of all, you have to turn on aeroplane mode at least for the 60 seconds, then turn this off and then try to open that page and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, you can use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, or you can use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, or you can use mobile data instead of Wi-Fi. Then go back and then you have to tap on general. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to go to date and time and make sure that your date and time is also correct and you have turned on both of these toggles. Then close this page. Now after that, open the setting and look here for the Safari app. Here it is guys, you have to tap on that, you have to scroll it on all the way, just simply you have to tap on advanced and you can see your website data here. If you have any, just simply you have to tap on remove. You can see remove button at the bottom, just simply tap on remove. Now go back from here and just simply you have to scroll it down. Now from here you have to tap on clear the history. From here you have to tap on clear history, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And once you here guys, now what you need to do is just simply you have to open the settings, scroll it down, then tap on general. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on software update. Just simply you have to update your device to the latest version. Now from here guys, you have to make sure that you are not connected with VPN. From here you have to go to transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset. From here you have to reset the network setting and then force restart your device, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If there is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.